What's up guys, this is Dave with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today I'll be unboxing the Beats by Dre Solo Pro wireless headphones. This is the box that they come in. So key features that are on the box. It has pure ANC, which is pure adaptive noise cancelling, transparency listening mode. You can hear things while your music is still playing. Battery life up to 22 hours with the ANC on and 40 hours with the ANC off. Another cool feature, fast fuel, which means 10 minutes of charge, you get 3 hours of battery life, which is pretty cool. Something we're going to test later. There's the on-ear controls for music and calls, and a built-in microphone for the voices. So go ahead and unbox this for you guys. Use this razor blade here. First thing I noticed about the box is it's a lot smaller than the original or the Solo 3s that they usually come in, which is kind of nice. Smaller box. So looks like you just slide this guy out. And it just pops up. And it has a case in here, which is a lot different than usual for Solo 3s, but it's kind of different. Has your little pouch of the charger cable, the carabiner, and some instructions to go with it. So I do like the packaging for sure, as Apple does nicely with all their products. So let's go ahead and get to the headphones. So these are on-ear headphones, which go on over or on your ear, not over your ear like the Studios. Pretty sweet design here with the hinges. Charger cable is a lightning charger cable, which is nice. They finally decided to make their headphones with the lightning cable instead of a micro USB. Looks like a mix between Solo 3 wireless and the Beats EP's headphones. The only difference with the Beats EP's and these here, the Beats EP's won't fold like this, which is nice. You can, for easy storage. So the hinges, they look pretty durable. I'd say they're more durable than the Beats EPs. Alright, so the serial number is located on the left hinge, a little different than the previous models, which are located on the right hinge, but that's what you can look for if you're purchasing from third-party sellers. But yeah, it looks pretty excited to test these out. We'll post another video of the actual testing process and disassembly of the headphones. If you guys enjoyed this video, have a great rest of your day.